हाय गाइस, तो कैसे हो आप लोग। मैं हूं आपका दोस्त सर्वेश एंड वेलकम टू ट्विस्टिंग नॉलेज। और दोस्तों, आज हम जानने वाले हैं 50 लॉन्ग फॉर्म्स रिलेटेड टू जनरल नॉलेज। सो दोस्तों, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। लॉन्ग फॉर्म ऑफ बायोस। आंसर, बेसिक इनपुट आउटपुट सिस्टम। लॉन्ग फॉर्म ऑफ CID। आंसर, क्राइम इन्वेस्टिगेशन डिपार्टमेंट। लॉन्ग फॉर्म ऑफ DP। आंसर, डिस्प्ले पिक्चर। लॉन्ग फॉर्म ऑफ MLA। आंसर, member of legislative assembly. Long form of IPL. Answer, Indian Premier League. Long form of CHC. Answer, Community Health Center. Long form of NECC. Answer, National A Coordination Committee. Long form of RT-PCR. Answer, Reverse Transcription Polymerase Chain Reaction. Long form of NATO. Answer, North Atlantic Treaty Organization. Long form of DNA. Answer, deoxyribonucleic acid. Long form of BARC. Answer, Baba Atomic Research Center. Long form of ADS. Answer, Air Defense Ship. Long form of AI. Answer, Air India. Long form of ADF. Answer, Asian Development Fund. Long form of AIR. Answer, All India Radio. Long form of BOSS. Answer, Bharat Operating System Solution. Long form of BSNL. Answer, Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited. Long form of CRPF. Answer, Central Reserve Police Force. Long form of ATM. Answer, Automated Teller Machine. Long form of CBSE. Answer, Central Board of Secondary Education. Long form of Yahoo. Answer, yet another hierarchically organized oracle. Long form of window. Answer, wide interactive network development. Long form of HDMI. Answer, high definition media interface. Long form of CNN. Answer, cable news network. Long form of NBC. Answer, National Broadcasting Company. Long form of NCB. Answer, Narcotics Control Bureau. Long form of ISKCON. Answer, International Society for Krishna Consciousness. Long form of EMI. Answer, Equated Monthly Installment. Long form of RDX. Answer, Research Department Exclusive. Long form of MRF. Answer, Madras Rubber Factory. Long form of LML. Answer, Lohia Machines Limited. Long form of HGH. Answer, Human Growth Hormone. Long form of IRCOL. Answer, Indian Railway Construction Company. Long form of ISRO. Answer, Indian Space Research Organization. Long form of LIC. Answer, Life Insurance Corporation. Long form of OIL. Answer, Oil India Limited. Long form of ABS. Answer, Anti-Lock Braking System. Long form of EBD. Answer, Electronic Brake Force Distribution. Long form of GST. Answer, Goods and Service Tax. Long form of APEC. Answer, Asian Pacific Economic Corporation. Long form of NAV. Answer, Net Asset Value. Long form of PSLV. Answer, Polar Satellite Launching Vehicle. Long form of ALM. Answer, Asset Liability Management. Long form of INR. Answer, Indian Rupees. Long form of PAC. Answer, Public Account Committee. Long form of ICICI. Answer, Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India. Long form of PAN. Answer, Permanent Account Number. Long form of KYC. Answer, Know Your Customer. Long form of SEZ. Answer, Special Economic Zone. And finally, the long form of AC. एंड सर अल्टरनेटिंग करंट। बस आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक करना, चैनल पे नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करना, और मैं मिलता हूँ आप लोगों से अगले संडे शाम 7 बजे। तब तक के लिए जय हिंद।
Coming like a Hellcat. Faster. Coming like a Hellcat.